How to unhide a post on Instagram. So in today's video, I will show you how to unhide your post on Instagram. To do that, now after you open up your Instagram app like this, now tap on your profile at the bottom right side. After you open up your profile, now to unhide your post on Instagram, tap on this menu at the top right side. Now scroll to down and tap on this section which says, as you can see now, it says archive. Tap on it. So after you open the archive section, as you can see now it gives you all your story archive. So now you want to see all your posts that you hide. So all you have to do now, tap on this story archive section and tap on this post archive. So now you can be able to see all your posts that you hide on your Instagram. So for me, I only hide one post. Here is it. Tap on the first now and tap on this three dot at the top right side of the first. And tap on this, as you can see now, show on profile. And tap on this show on profile again. So now as you can see now, it says restore. So now close your Instagram app and remove it from minimize and go back and open your Instagram app now. So after you open your Instagram app now, all you have to do now, tap on your profile at the bottom right. After you open your profile like this, now as you can see now, here is now the post that I just restore it. As you can see, here is the post that I just hide, and now unhide my post on Instagram. That's it guys on how to unhide post in Instagram. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.